So I think so your problem has been sorted out. You can hear me now, okay? So I've just discussed the answers here. Now let's come to the writing skill. Very, very important part. So two writing skills you have to do. One is your paragraph writing and second is your letter writing. Paragraph writing, you can get an analytical paragraph. You get your data, information you have to understand. That is the most easiest thing to do, right? Then we have another form of paragraph writing, that is extract might be given to you, some lines might be given to you and you have to interpret that. That is also analytical. Information is given, you have to understand that, you have to write about that information. Next is like something very informative. You're giving information like road safety, things that you are aware of, right? So when we do write these paragraphs here, of course your heading is very, very important. I don't want to hear anyone talking. Aditya, want me to change your seat? Nalin, I think it's time for me to change your seat. No notebook, nothing. We know everything. We are full up to here with the revision of English. See, road safety, yes, you have spoken about the rules. We've talked about the need of following these. We had also talked about the consequences. Now here in your paragraph writing, what is there? You just have to give your information in a paragraph. And many of you have made many, many paragraphs. You have mixed up the format of writing a speech and a paragraph. As you know, this happens. We all are aware. No, you're giving statements. When we write paragraph, it is statements. It is lines you simply have to write. Okay? So it is not a speech you're giving. It's not an article you're writing. It is not a report. Tone is very, very formal. It is, and we are not here, giving a personal a touch to it at all. We're just telling something. This is what I know. I am giving information. The way information is given in your textbooks, right? That kind of tone it has to be there. So when we write paragraphs here, as I said, your vocabulary, your language, appropriateness, it has to be there. Okay? Right? So it is a very simple thing that you have to do. So like say, just say, if I have to write a paragraph about, let's say, simplest one I'm going to do with you all. Say importance of sports. Can we just jot down a few points regarding importance of sports and we can write the paragraph then. Come on. How and why are sports important? Or yes, sports or outdoor activities. It could be things. Yes, how are they important? So it is exercise. Yes. So you go out, it's an exercise, right? What else? You go for sports, so you can talk about, yes, there are outdoor as well as, yes, yes, of course it is there. For good, for, you can say both for physical and mental health, right? So you go out and exercise. It's not only like, yeah, you exert yourself physically, but mentally also you get a very uplifting of spirits. Yeah, that freshness is there. You have positivity. You feel good about yourself. Yeah, a lot of endorphins there. You fine. So feel good hormones. Yes, you also talk about team spirit. Yes, so there are qualities that you learn when you play. You learn about team spirit. You learn about sportsmanship. You learn about what? Cooperation. You can also talk about it as a career option. Yes. क्यों नहीं इंडिया में नहीं है, we don't have sports people in India. Hi Simran, quiet, wear your mask. It's a now, yes, absolutely right. See here, we are, because for us as Indians, we give too much importance maybe to cricket, right? And we think that as a career option, if we have to pursue something, it is only cricket. We are not aware of the opportunities which are there in other fields. So athletics is there, you have football, you have badminton, you have tennis, so many things are there. You have like your track and field events which you can participate in, right? And if you do find out, we have representation for these sports, that means facilities are there, right? And we have people who are very determined. We read about athletes also. So that young lady who's really done us proud, Hima Das, without much of a formal training there, and it was her passion for this, right? So she has pursued that. So one thing is there, yes, if you really, it's good for you if you start playing at a young age, and if you're really good at it, you can really pursue it as a career. Definitely, these are the misconceptions that we have. Nowadays, there are a lot of opportunities. And once you do reach a certain level, when you want to participate at the national level or you want to compete at the international level, I think so politics, then it is everywhere. It is not only in sports, but it is in every field, right? So at least I hear, and we think that maybe a sport person has a short career, right? And we see that at a young age, we see our sports persons retiring. But after that, look at them, we still see them, right? So whether it is as commentators or as a coach or as a mentor, we have them, right? So it is not just the end of the line there after your 40 years of age or later than that, but even after that, there are opportunities. You can help others, you can promote that. People are starting their own academies even to promote this sports. And I feel that if we are aware that you do participate at a certain level of competitions, and certain institutes, colleges there, Kohinoor, please sit straight. They are, see, that is an alternative career. Once their career is over, they can carry on, right? But many institutes are there, they have the sports quota. So if you have participated at a certain level, you get a weightage for admission also, right? So these are misconceptions, I would say, the notions that we have. Okay, come on, write this paragraph. When you start writing, you can play that game of yours later. No, it's not Game of Thrones, I think Game of Yours. Come on, start writing. Let me see. Yes, at home also. If you finished your sending PD, which sport does this qualify? Is it even a sport? Yes, come on, girls. Arlene, start writing. Write this as a paragraph. Come on, write this as Nalin, start writing. Just because I said you're good, that does not mean you don't write. Start writing, please. At home also, let me see you write this paragraph. There are a few participants today. What are the others doing? Still doing the science test? No, they were giving the test, so that means they're awake. Yeah, they got so inspired. That's, they've got to play sports. Okay, come on. Give the heading, the importance of sports. How are they important? Yes, how are we going to start? Your starting is going to make a lot of impression. Not necessary to give a quotation. Not necessary to give a quotation here every time. Even in paragraph writing, it's not a compulsion, okay? Right? So it's not, yes. Quotation? Then tell me. So you can say sports or physical activity is very important for overall development of an individual's personality, right? The dawn of 20, this sports they began at the dawn of 21st century? Wrong line. No, no, no. Not every where you can fit it. Okay. So after your opening sentence, then you can start off. It is not only a form of exercise or to develop fitness of our body, but it is a way where we can keep our mind also fit. It relaxes us, it motivates us to work better, and it helps us to concentrate also later on. Yes. Then sports, yes, they should be a part. Aditya, come here. Come here. You don't understand English? You don't understand once? Nalin, please get up. Get up. Anjali, come here. Sit down. So sports, it needs to be a part of the curriculum, right? And it helps by competing in different activities or in different sports, the child develops what kind of a spirit? A healthy sportsmanship, learns the values of cooperation, learns about unity, right? And of course, takes pride in representing his or her school at various levels, right? And in say with continued participation in sports, it is also quite possible that a child can also opt it as a career option in life, right? Or you can say that during the popularity of the sports stars, and so it is a quite attractive option as a career choice, right? Okay, so start writing. Get active right now. Yes, you also at home, please start writing the paragraph, and let's see your ideas here. Let's see what you are doing. Paragraph writing is simply statements of facts. It's information that you are know, and you're telling the examiner, I know this, and this is what I know about this particular topic. So there is no, you can say like kind of an interaction as in a speech. It is not, right? So you're not asking questions here. Do not make more paragraphs even. Do not write in points like many we have written in the answers there. Okay, that is the wrong way of writing the paragraph. Come on, hurry up. Let me hear you write it, and let's read it out also. Let's see who writes the best. Yes, last over there. Kamakshi, writing? Harsiman, your work is very neat. You have very nice handwriting. But still, it was better than the rest. Rest, it was all as if I don't know what hieroglyphics, isn't Aryan, तुम PDF ही बना लो. That is a big thing. Yeah, that is a big thing. Right? Yes. Of course I am. It's neat work. No, it was nice. It was good. That means you can write even better. When she wrote the last line in the paragraph, then I realized, yes, this is her Simran, because it was something very funny that you had written in the last paragraph, isn't it? Yes, class. Silence. Next test is what? Footprints without feet. Okay. And I'll start discussing that from the next period onwards. We'll just do that. And right? Yes.
We have to waste the 20-40 minutes after this till 12:40.
Yes, next paragraph that we are going to discuss, if you have written the ideas related to this. Next is reading an ocean of knowledge. Write on the points, write on the points. Yes, Kavya? Let's come to the next one. What about reading? How is it an ocean of knowledge? What are the things that you can read? Yes, okay. One at a time, one at a time. You know, newspapers, magazines, okay. Yes, books, fiction, fine. Your autobiographies, okay. Reading subtitles of a movie, it is not reading. That is not reading, okay? That is a part of watching only, isn't it? Right? Yes, please. Aditya, get up, move over there. Move over there. And tomorrow I'm going to bring something to tie your fingers. Right? Go there. So these are the things that you can read. How do these help to increase